Welcome to the Biomedix 510K submission series, your guide to navigating each step of the FDA process with confidence using eSTAR. This content is educational and not a substitute for regulatory or legal advice. Always consult FDA guidance and a qualified expert for your device strategy.
Welcome to our Biomedix video series and this 510K walkthrough of current version 5.5 of the FDA's eSTAR template released February 12, 2025. Page 1, Orientation. The first page provides a high-level overview. You'll find a purpose statement, a color-coded key indicating required, optional, or conditionally required fields, and a FAQ section on the left, which is highly recommended to review. You will also find the version history outlines all changes and updates made to the eSTAR form over time. A dynamic status banner at the top, typically showing eSTAR incomplete, will update as you progress through the form and run built-in validation checks. This first page should be carefully reviewed as a roadmap for navigating and successfully utilizing the eSTAR template. Page 2, Application Type Selection. On this page, you'll select the type of submission: pre-market notification, 510K, de novo, or pre-market approval, PMA. This selection is critical, as it dynamically formats the rest of the interactive eSTAR PDF to present only the relevant sections and questions for that specific submission type. You'll also specify whether your submission is a new application or additional information. This page highlights common issues that can trigger technical screening holds, such as providing irrelevant attachments or inaccurate responses, serving as an early checkpoint to help avoid delays. Accuracy here ensures the rest of the form is properly tailored to your regulatory pathway. Page 3, Submission Information. This multi-part page combines 4 critical areas of information. First, you'll find the section for your cover letter and letters of reference, where you will attach your official cover letter and any letters of reference. Next, you'll provide detailed applicant information, including contact information for your authorized representatives. Following that, you'll indicate if there are prior related submissions or regulator interaction for the subject device or devices. Finally, on this page, you'll list any standards used in your submission and cite attachments where deviations or justifications are provided. Page 4, Device Description. Under Device Description, you'll begin by listing the product trade name and optionally model number and name of all devices included in this submission. Subsequently, you'll answer a series of fundamental questions about your device's characteristics, such as whether it is life-supporting or life-sustaining, has tissue-contacting components, uses software and firmware, or is packaged as sterile. You will also indicate if the device is a combination product, has a request for designation, RFD, and pre-RFD, or if it is electrical. Additionally, you will provide a device description summary, ensuring it includes an explanation of how the device functions, scientific concepts, and significant physical and performance characteristics. If you use the 510K summary at the end of the template, this information must be provided in the text box and will be publicly available. Only non-confidential information should be entered in the text box, with confidential information included in attachments. Page 5, Detailed Description and Packaging. On page 5, you will attach comprehensive device description and principles of operation documentation. In addition to the written description, you'll also include device pictures, illustrations, schematics, and/or diagrams. Photos or illustrations should clearly identify all key components referenced in the narrative. Furthermore, you'll provide a description of device packaging. You will also indicate if the device is intended to be marketed with multiple system and kit components or accessories. If applicable, you'll also address or provide information demonstrating compliance with any applicable special controls, requirements in a device-specific classification regulation, or adherence to device-specific guidance recommendations for the device description. If an alternative approach is chosen, a rationale must be provided. Page 6, Indications for Use, IFU. On page 6, you'll provide the critical indications for use, IFU statement for your device. First, you'll enter your marketing application and submission number if known, and the device trade names. The core of this page is providing a concise indications for use statement. You will also select the types of uses: prescription use or over-the-counter use. Page 7. Classification. On page 7, you'll add a primary product code and any associated product codes. You can type in the primary product code directly or filter by medical specialty and regulation. It is recommended to verify whether a device-specific guidance or special control is available for the product code at the product classification website.